The marker pen spray gun from Winson's is great. There's no preparation needed. It's ready to use as soon as you want to use it. It's beginner friendly. I've never used a little paint gun before. It worked well. You don't have to clean it after each use, which is fantastic. And the coloring results are really good. This is perfect for beginners or someone that doesn't have any experience like myself. Hey guys, Winson sent me this great marker pen spray gun. For me, I'm a woodworker, so stick around as I show you how I added color to this spinning top. Now in the box came several stencils. You've got a unicorn, tiger, lion, parrot, and a deer. Now the actual spray gun has a USB charging port with the charging cable and a simple on-off for the button to turn it on. It came with 5 markers. They have a large point and a soft point. They're all labeled with the color and the color number. And to load the gun to ready it for spraying, you're just putting it in, sliding it in like that. There's a slight detent so you can kind of feel it lock into place. And then you simply pull the trigger and let the trigger go. And you're painting. It is recommended to wear a mask with this. It says that it's dry within an hour, but when I painted this spinning top, I was able to touch the top in just 2 or 3 minutes and it was dry. And I think it depends how heavy of a paint coat you put on it as well. So for me, I'm a woodworker, so I envision adding color to my plain wood turnings. I also cut my own stencils, so these are great. This would be great for a paint party, all kinds of different activities. But I'm liking this. From what I've seen so far, I would recommend it. The price point's really low. Time will tell how long it lasts, and I don't know how long the markers will last. It just depends how much paint you're going to use. So, thanks for watching.